According to NEC, what is the minimum height for electrical outlets in industrial workspaces? 18 inches. What type of current do home appliances use? AC current. What is the standard frequency of AC supply in most countries? 50 Hz. What happens if live and neutral wires touch directly? Short circuit. The top of a 12-inch deep-wall cabinet, installed in a room with electric space heating cables embedded in the ceiling, should be below the ceiling no less than 3 inches.